This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. Arrived back home in the living room, not in the car, because it's Saturday and I have to be home with the kids. But all right, anyway, my tummy, I'm getting heavy. Always blame Thai food. But okay, so the Tang, it did it 0 to 100 in 4.7 seconds, and it's supposed to be 4.9 according to the spec. It seems like BYD, they've been somewhat honest about the acceleration here, but you guys heard it, that we were spinning. So, well, that's because we have Nokia and R5 EV. They are soft, you know, and that's why the other Tang here, the previous generation, was faster, but it was on summer tires. And then, but the other Tang was also not so heavy, and it had slightly less power. So I bet if I did this the new Tang, the Wu Tang, okay, the new Tang in on summer tires, it would probably be maybe 0.2 seconds faster. But you also see that, yeah, the timer on the display in the car claimed 4.4 seconds, 4.3 on the best, but they measured according to speedometer. And I measured in the Tang, the speedometer is 5 kilometers per hour off. So that measurement is basically 0 to 60 miles per hour, right? Close enough. Or around 95 kilometers per hour, then yeah, it takes 4.4 seconds. And I, of course, use Draghi to measure things more accurately. But yeah, when it comes to noise though, you see, this was winter tire, so the noise level is okay at low speed, but at high speed it increases and you can hear it. You know, compared to other Chinese cars, see here we have 66 decibel average, right? Many Chinese cars, they are higher. You see NIO ES8 EL6, like 65 decibel, and if you go further up, EL7 is even quieter, 65, okay. And then on top here, Xpeng G9 Performance, 62 decibel. Huh? You know, for a flagship from BYD, then you expect it to be up here, but it isn't. What is the quietest? ET7. Wow. Yeah. So, and then okay, also compared to the previous Tang, that was on summer tire. So it's here, and you see that it's roughly the same. Well, a little bit noisier because summer tires are harder, but. Yeah, it seems like also BYD, they haven't improved soundproofing on the new generation. I bet it's even in the same platform, because I've seen that the cooling is somewhat poor. It actually rapid gates, yeah, spoiler alert. And then it also seems to be quite thirsty, just like before. Interior hasn't changed that much. And then it seems like they also didn't change the soundproofing. They changed the front, put in the bigger battery, and then, yeah. New car. So yeah, this is at least my findings. Maybe you guys disagree, or yeah, some people. I heard it that you know, most reviewers of the Tang, they haven't complained about the noise level, but I notice it immediately, because nowadays, especially the Chinese cars, they're getting quieter and quieter, and also other brands. So, and then this Tang actually appears to be a bit noisy, but it is fast. Yeah, it goes like a rocket. Yeah, and it's also not super expensive compared to the German cars, but you get what you pay for, right? So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.